Alright, I'm going to show you the fastest and easiest way to install WordPress. First thing you'll need to do is log into your cPanel area in your host account. And scroll down and you'll see an icon that says Fantastico. Now, not every host out there offers this service. The one I personally use is HostGator.com. You can call your hosting company and ask them if you have this feature. Like I said, it's called Fantastico. If nothing else, if you're trying to find a company, you can type in a Google search Fantastico, and I'm sure it's going to give you a list of different companies that offer this. Like I said, HostGator.com is what I use. I've used them for over a year now, and I absolutely love them, so it's a good company to go with. So for this example, we're going to click on Fantastico. You'll notice over here it says WordPress. This is the script that you can install, so we're going to click on WordPress, and we're going to go back over and click on New Installation. First question it's asking me is, where do you want to install your WordPress blog? On which domain name do you want it installed on? The one I'm going to install it on is this domain name right here, mydailyadvice.com, because I don't use it. Basically, what's going to happen is if I leave this blank, mydailyadvice.com, and leave it as the way you see it right now, if you were to type in this domain name, it'll take you directly to the WordPress blog. If I want to, let's say, make this a sales page, like I have a sales page that when you type in mydailyadvice.com, it's going to sell you on a product. If I wanted to create a different area in my website for dedicated to a blog for my customers, I could create it in a directory here, and I can name it blog. What happens is if I type in blog here, and you were to type in mydailyadvice.com into the URL up here, you would go directly to my sales page. Now, if you typed in mydailyadvice.com/blog, it would take you to my blog. So for this example, I'm going to leave this blank. So this way, it sends it directly to my URL here. And we scroll down, and it's asking what username and password do you want to use to log into your dashboard area. That is the admin area for your WordPress blog. This is where you'll create your post and upload stuff and change configurations for your WordPress. So pick a username and password that you can remember. So for this example, I'm going to use admin. Password is test. Like I said, as an example, I don't recommend you use those. Next question it's asking is, what do you want your nickname to be? Your nickname is basically what's going to show up on your post. So when you post to your WordPress blog, it's going to say this post is by your nickname. So I'm not even going to create a nickname. I'm just going to put my first name in. Next, it's going to ask, where do you want your admin email to be? So right here, you're going to put in your email address that you personally use. This is for your admin area. Next, it's asking, what do you want your site to be called? My site is going to be called My Daily Advice. This will show up on the header of the blog when we install this. Next, down here where it says email account configuration, this is a feature I personally do not ever use. What this basically does is allows you to post make posts to your blog through your email. Like I said, it's something I don't use. If you want to learn a little bit extra about it, just click on this. It's very simple. It explains it easily to you how to do it. Just click on the link right here and it'll show you how to do it. Other than that, it's asking which email account do you want to use to basically use this feature for. So I'm just going to put in a password here. If you're wanting to use this feature, the password you would put would actually be the password to your email address that's located right here. So like I said, this is not my password. If you're going to use this, put in the correct password. Other than that, click on Install WordPress and then click on Finish Installation, and we're almost done. First thing it's going to do is it's going to give me a set of instructions, which are right here. What it's telling me is my username is admin, my password is test. This is the URL that I will use to log into my WordPress account. It's mydailyadvice.com/wp-admin. You type that in and hit enter, and that will ask you for a username and password so you can log into your WordPress blog. Now, I recommend you write these down if you don't want to write them down, you can actually put in your email address right here, and it will actually send this information to your email address so you can have a record of it. You can email it or you can write it down. It's just easy to write it down. Also, just put admin test and then your URL here. So other than that, click on back to WordPress, and then you'll come down here. You'll notice that my URL is mydailyadvice.com, and it's giving me the option I can either go visit the site now or I can remove it. This is so in case you messed up or you decide you don't want the WordPress blog anymore, you click on remove and it will automatically remove it for you. So we're going to click on visit site. There's our header, My Daily Advice. Scroll down. If you want to log in, just click on log in. You'll notice it automatically brings up this area. I am going to put in mine. What was admin test? Hit enter. Enter again. And now there's our WordPress. This is the dashboard area where you will do all your posting and changing account information. So other than that, you just create yourself a WordPress blog.